Have you ever wondered what happens to your old smartphone or laptop when you discard it? It's a question that most of us seldom ponder. But the truth is, our growing reliance on technology has a dark side: electronic waste, or e-waste. This is the discarded remains of our devices, and it's piling up at an alarming rate. To give you an idea of the scale, globally, we generate around 50 million metric tons of e-waste each year. That's equivalent to the weight of all the commercial aircraft ever built. This waste not only takes up space, but also leaks toxic materials into our environment, threatening both human health and the planet. But what if there was a solution? Enter green technology, an innovative approach that aims to reduce the environmental impact of our tech. One promising avenue is the use of artificial intelligence, which has the potential to revolutionize how we handle e-waste. Now, imagine if we could use advanced technology like AI to make our tech greener. Artificial intelligence has been making waves in every field, but did you know it could also be the key to reducing electronic waste? Imagine a world where our devices are smart enough to self-diagnose and repair. That's right, AI can help in extending the lifespan of our electronics by predicting faults before they occur and suggesting preventive measures. But that's not all. AI is also revolutionizing recycling processes. By using machine learning algorithms, recycling plants can identify and sort electronic components more efficiently, making sure nothing goes to waste. AI can even predict market demands for certain components, helping manufacturers produce only what's needed and reduce excess production. Furthermore, AI can optimize waste management by predicting the amount of electronic waste that will be generated and help in planning effective ways to dispose of or recycle them. In the quest to make tech greener, AI is proving to be a game changer. One company that has successfully used AI to tackle electronic